Understanding underscore getItem underscore method. I have gone through most of the documentation of underscore getItem underscore in the Python docs, but I am still unable to grasp the meaning of it. So all I can understand is that underscore getItem underscore is used to implement calls like self-key. But what is the use of it? Let's say I have a Python class defined in this way. This returns the results as expected. But why use underscore getItem underscore in the first place? I have also heard that Python calls underscore getItem underscore internally. But why does it do it? Can someone please explain this in more detail?
Conrad does a good job of explaining what underscore getItem underscore is used for, but I want to give you an example which might be useful. Imagine a class which models a building. Within the data for the building it includes a number of attributes, including descriptions of the companies that occupy each floor. Without using underscore getItem underscore we would have a class like this. We could however use underscore getItem underscore, and its counterpart underscore setItem underscore, to make the usage of the building class nicer. Whether you use underscore setItem underscore like this really depends on how you plan to abstract your data. In this case we have decided to treat a building as a container of floors, and you could also implement an iterator for the building, and maybe even the ability to slice. I get more than one floor's data at a time. It depends on what you need.
The syntax for getting item by key or index is just syntax sugar. When you evaluate AI, Python calls a dot underscore getItem underscore I, or type a dot underscore getItem underscore a, I, but this distinction is about inheritance models and is not important here. Even if the class of a may not explicitly define this method, it is usually inherited from an ancestor class. All the Python 2.7 special method names and their semantics are listed here. This URL.
The magic method underscore getItem underscore is basically used for accessing list items, dictionary entries, array elements etc. It is very useful for a quick lookup of instance attributes. Here I am showing this with an example class person that can be instantiated by name, age, and job, date of birth. The underscore getItem underscore method is written in a way that one can access the indexed instance attributes, such as first or last name, day, month or year of the job, etc. Suppose one user input is as follows. With the help of underscore getItem underscore method, the user can access the indexed attributes. For example,
as a side note, the underscore getItem underscore method also allows you to turn your object into an iterable. Example, if used with iter, it can generate as many int squared values as you want.
If you want to see more, please don't stickers this ready.